your sister. That's baby Alex. Can you say hi? She's gonna sleep in the room next to yours. What do you think? Do you want me to pick her up? Yeah? Hold on. Hold on.
Hey, why don't you sit there and I'll put her on you guys' lap.
Sit down. Sit down.
Can we hold that? Just gonna keep that on there.
Ready for her? You're gonna be. Hey, sit still. Sit still. Okay. Here she comes. Here she is. What do you think? Don't touch her. What do you think? This is your sister. No, don't touch her skin. Let me touch the ball. What do you think of this little girl?
Yeah.
She cute?
Yeah. What? Right
You
there.
say, I love you, sissy. Oh, she's sweet.
Isn't that exciting?
Huh? This is your sissy.
Yeah.
She's gonna come and live at our house.
Yes.
Yes?
Do you like her?
This is a ball. This people look at see that the hair. It's light hair. Oh, we have to cover it, right? No, you're gentle. Be gentle with her head. She doesn't have as hard of a head as you do. Don't touch her eyes. Eyes I don't know how to touch, remember? She's just a little baby. You need to be extra gentle with her.
My ball.
Can you smile at Daddy for a smile? Smile at Daddy. That's not Macy, this is Alex.